لا رجال إلا بمال ولا مال إلا برجال، فهذه الحياة.
الرجال هي اللي تصنع سعادته، الرجال هي اللي تصنع حياته، الرجال اللي هي تصنع حاضرها ومستقبلها. كل ما طال الوقت كل ما يعطي الاتحاد قوة ودفعه للعمل.
Hi. Leadership is not about having power. It is about having vision. A true leader who knows where they are going and helps others grow along the way. Leadership means taking responsibility, making smart decisions, and staying strong during challenge. Welcome a new episode of Future of Business. Today we are hosting Mr. Aslan. How are you?
All good, thank you very much.
Can you tell us about your work, the beginning of your career and your studies?
First of all, thank you for having me on your channel. It's a pleasure to be here and to share our story. My business journey began in my home country, where I mainly focused on serving the local market. Over time, I recognized the strong potential for expansion, and international expansion was the natural next step. I thought that Dubai can be the right destination for that growth, and I was right. Dubai offers exceptional opportunities across multiple sectors, especially in construction and heavy industry. It's also one of the safest, most stable, and business-friendly environment in the world. Over the years, Dubai has demonstrated remarkable progress and visionary development. As a Brioni, we are proud to contribute that success in our own way.
Yeah. How do you use your leadership personality to lead your team?
Thank you for your question, which I think is fundamental for business, because every right decision brings long-term success for the business. For me, strong leadership means protecting the reputation of the company, making disciplined decisions, building trust internally and externally, and always thinking beyond short-term gain. In our field, clients are not simply purchasing machinery or equipment. They are looking for a reliable and knowledgeable business partner. You cannot make them just with some piece of equipment happy. You need to be on the line with them 24/7. Every decision we make is guided by the question of how we can create real value for the customer while also building sustainable relationship. I believe strong relationship also depends on building the right team, because no company can grow successfully without people who share the same vision and values. Because sometimes after some stage, your team will be in direct contact with your clients. If they will not feel the same values, same vision as you are talking, your profit, your business will be short-term.
Yeah. What does your company do and what service do you offer to your clients, and what difference your company from other companies in the Middle East?
Very nice question. As we are in a Middle East market, which is really competitive, we set our approach solution-oriented. We do not believe in offering standard solution to every client. Instead, we study each client's operational needs, project requirements, and future expectations before recommending the most suitable equipment or machinery. Our business strategy is closely connected to the infrastructure growth taking place across the region. Major developments and large-scale construction projects continue to create demand for reliable, efficient, and technically suitable equipment solutions. In addition, there is a growing market preferences for more sustainable and lower emission machinery, including hybrid and electric alternatives. So, in summary, Brioni stands out because we combine technical awareness, client-focused thinking, flexibility, and long-term service commitment, all while aligning our strategy with the growth and transformation taking place across the region.
Yes. Now, let's go to see the report.
Hi, my name is Reza, and I am sales manager in Brioni Construction and Equipment Company. Here, my responsibilities are in sales department I handle sales activities and coordinate with the customers suitable construction equipment solution. I am focused on building relationship with the clients and ensuring their satisfaction. For my customers, I want to say, please trust us. We will not never ever let you down.
Hi, my name is Ahmad. I work for this amazing company called Brioni Equipment and Machinery, and I'm here working as an office manager. And I just make sure that our employees has the right tools, has the right things, everything working fine to serve our clients as the best way they can do.
Welcome back. Welcome back, Mr. Aslan. What is your strategic vision for the company's growth in the coming years?
Our long-term vision is to position Brioni as a trusted benchmark in the regional equipment and machinery sector. We aim to strengthen our relationship with existing clients while also expanding our portfolio and reach across new markets. We want Brioni to be recognized not only as a supplier, but as a strategic partner that offers reliability, technical understanding, and long-term support. Most importantly, we want our company to become known as a company that combines business professionalism with practical understanding. A company that does not simply participate in the market, but contributes to rising standards within it. Our vision is ambitious, but it is also realistic and grounded in the market need, operational discipline, and long-term commitment.
How do you ensure high standards of quality you provide?
At the Brioni, quality is not treated as a final checkpoint. It is integrated into the entire process from the beginning till the end. We work only with carefully selected manufacturers, suppliers, and authorized partners. Every piece of equipment is reviewed with close attention to technical suitability, operational reliability, and compliance with international safety and performance standards. We also understand that quality is closely connected to trust. A client may remember a good price, but they will rely on consistent quality and dependable performance. If the equipment performs well, the relationship grows stronger. If the standards are weak, long-term trust becomes difficult. This is why we do not compromise on the fundamentals. In the case of used machinery, we apply an even more detailed review and assessment process. We understand that in our industry, quality and safety are directly linked to client trust and long-term business credibility. For that reason, we never compromise on our standards.
How do you use technology and a new idea to improve operation and service quality?
Technology and market research are both essential to the way we operate. Market research helps us understand what is happening in the sector, what clients are demanding, which industries are growing, how project requirements are changing, and where the market is heading. It gives a clear picture of what the market needs today and where it is moving tomorrow. Technology, on the other hand, strengthens our operational efficiency. It supports better coordination, faster documentation process, improved planning, and greater overall precision. In simple terms, market research helps us decide what direction to take, while technology helps us execute that direction with greater efficiency and professionalism. Together, they strengthen both our strategy and our day-to-day performance.
Yeah. What are the biggest challenges in your company?
The heavy industry comes with many challenges, including client expectation, technical complexity, market competition, and supply chain pressure. One of the biggest challenges is maintaining clear and direct communication through the entire process. In this business, even when you are delivering high quality work, a lack of communication can cause problem. Because maybe it's also about the cultural background of people who are living here. They are just bringing to areas some their relatives, some friends who doesn't have any idea about the work, how the procedure going, and they start giving them some ideas. And if you didn't give some information on time to your client, they may doubt about your work. That's why it would be much better you to be in direct contact in every stage of your work. That is why we place importance on transparency, responsiveness, and keeping the client informed at every stage. We believe most operational challenges can be managed successfully through strong planning, honest communication, and professional follow-up. Now, how to overcome these challenges? Through preparation, honest communication, careful follow-through, and staying solution-oriented. We believe most industry challenges can be managed successfully when a company remains transparent, responsive, and professionally disciplined.
Advice would you give to people who want to work in this field?
My advice would be enter this sector with seriousness, patience, and long-term mindset. This is not a business where success comes only from buying or selling. You need to understand the equipment, the technical requirements of the client, and the importance of reliability and after-sales support. Trust is one of the most valuable assets in this industry, and it takes time to build. Some new people coming to the market, and they are just thinking about profit and offering with a high margin some equipment, one-time work, and after clients realize that this price market have much better price, they lose client. But you should be more oriented to have a good relationship with your client than the gain, than your profit. It's also very important to choose suppliers and partners carefully. Your reputation will always be connecting with the quality of the machinery, the reliability of supply process, and the professionalism of the people whom you are working with. Even if your own intentions are good, weak partners can damage your business very quickly. That's why you need to take all this to the account and try to across all these problems.
Finally, would you like to share a message of appreciation to the UAE leadership for supporting business growth across the region?
Absolutely. I would like to express our sincere appreciation to the visionary leadership of United Arab Emirates for creating an environment where businesses can grow confidence, stability, and with ambitions. The UAE has become a global center for trade, infrastructure, logistics, and innovation. This transformation has created meaningful opportunities for companies for all over the world, including ours. For Brioni, the UAE is not only business space, it is second home for us. We are truly grateful for the forward-looking policies, world-class infrastructure, and supportive ecosystems that continue to empower the private sector.
Thank you very much, Mr. Aslan. Nice to meet you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.